Welcome to DJI Agricultural Drone Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to use the DRTK2 mobile base station as a handheld mapper to perform missions. 1. Mount mobile station. First, mount a DRTK2 mobile station on a tripod and use it as a mobile base station. Press the power button in the center of the device and hold it until it is turned on. Next, press the operating mode button on the right side of the device body and hold until the mode indicator turns green and blinks once, indicating the device is in mobile base station mode.
On the main screen of MG1P RTK remote controller app, tap Execute Operation.
Tap Ellipses in the upper right. Enable RTK function in RTK and select DRTK2 mobile station in the RTK service type. Then tap Linking at the bottom. Press the link button on the left side of the mobile station body and link with RC. After this, users will be prompted in the app.
Relink required between RC and aircraft or handheld RTK.
2. Set DRTK handheld mapper. Press on another DRTK2 mobile station to turn on. And then press the operating mode button on the right side and hold until the mode indicator turns green and blinks 3 times, indicating it is in handheld mapping device mode. In this way, the DRTK2 mobile station is turned into a DRTK handheld mapper. Go to the DJI MG app, tap Linking in pop-up window on the screen, and press the link button on the mobile station body to complete linking between handheld mapper with RC. If you choose to link the RC with handheld mapper or aircraft later by not tapping the linking in the pop-up window, please go to RC settings, tap Linking, and link the RC with DRTK2 mobile station or aircraft anytime you want. After this, go to RTK settings and tap Reconnecting to link the mobile station, RC, and handheld mapper or aircraft. 3. Enter coordinates manually. When first set up, record the current longitude, latitude, and altitude data of DRTK2 mobile base station. Next, go to Advanced Settings, GNSS coordinates input, and enter the corresponding data. After setting is complete, the current location information will be saved in the system.
If you need to set the DRTK2 mobile station on the same spot again, keep the error range within 5 meters, and the last location data will be applied automatically.
4. Plan fields with DRTK handheld mapper. Hold the RC and handheld mapper. Wait until the top status bar of the app to turn green, and RTK precision value achieves centimeter level. Then follow the common route planning steps to mark waypoints, obstacles, and calibration points. Finally, save the mission and turn off the handheld mapper. 5. Start mission. Power on aircraft and link with RC. Choose the mission you just saved. After rectifying offset and adjusting flight parameters, slide the slider to start operation.